video we are going how to fix this app cannot run on your PC. Okay, so first you need to go to system information, search for system information and click it. Yes, and here you can see the system type is that. Yes, it's 64-bit based PC or not, like this. Okay, you need to check this one. Yes, and go back, and after that you need to go to command prompt. Yes, click it and run as administrative. In this you need to write sfc slash scan now. Yes, write this and click enter, and it take sometimes to scan, take 1% to 100%. Sometimes this system repair pending which require reboot to complete, restart windows to run sfc again. So this coming means you need to restart your PC and again need to type the same things. Okay, and scan all the files and folders. After you need to search for settings. In this quick settings, and here you need to go to system settings, and here need to scroll down, and here you can see the scroll down and you can see the advanced setting is there. Yes, go to advanced system settings, and here you need to scroll down and go to developer mode. So sometimes there are developer mode will be in on condition, so it will not be always in on condition, so that's have a problem. So if it's in on condition or not, you need to check it. If it's in on condition, you need to turn off developer mode. Okay, yes, this developer mode is on advanced system settings, you need to turn off and go to windows update. Then check for windows update is already some how many files are pending means you need to reset now. Yes, and download and install the pending files, and after that you need to go to search and need to type for change user account control settings. Yes, need to click it, and here it should be it should not be in third or fourth. Okay, it's not recommended, and the third mode also is not recommended. It should be in first or second mode. Okay, these two modes are not recommended, and first mode it will be in recommended mode, and second it will be in recommended mode. Okay, so other than that two will be need to turn off. Okay, after that you need to restart your PC. Thank you.